What's up guys, it's Tyler Hassman, and today I'm gonna show you how to film easy viral home tours that actually get views, followers, and leads. And if you've never filmed a property before, here's the truth. You don't need fancy gear, you don't need a videographer, and you don't need to be a natural on camera. You just need a simple shot plan, a clean flow, and a repeatable system that you can use on every listing you ever walk into. I've used this exact method to get hundreds of millions of views touring homes across North America, and today I'm breaking it all down so you can do the same thing. And by the end of the video, you're gonna know exactly how to walk through a home so it looks smooth and professional, the 5 easiest shots to capture that work for any property, what to say on camera to hook viewers in for the first 3 seconds, and how to film a tour in under 15 minutes, start to finish. And by the way, if you want me to personally review your videos or social media pages, hit the link in the description and book a social media audit call. It's where I'll go through your pages and your videos so you can get more views, leads, and traction. All right, let's jump into it. So what we're gonna do is the easy, short home tour. But what I mean by that is we're gonna get clips of this house, a quick intro shot, maybe 5 or 6 shots inside, put them together with some cool music, and then post it. Quick and simple. Now this isn't the full home tour where you might have seen those before, where it goes through the entire house, there's a voiceover, there's captions, cool effects. That is more of a complex video tour, and we've actually did a video just like this explaining how to do that. In a previous video, you may have seen it on our channel here. If not, you can go watch that. But I had so many agents be like, hey, can you make an easier one? Or hey, that one's almost too hard for me, I'm a beginner. Well, here's a great way, whether you're a beginner, maybe you don't have much time, or maybe you're just a little lazy, but you still want to get views and leads, then this is the easy home tour quick video that'll go viral. So the first shot you want to get is the exterior. Now this first shot is super important because you want to hook the audience in. And a hook is something that grabs people's attention, stops them from scrolling in the first 3 seconds. And a hook is what you say or what people see on video. Now we actually have a full 8 to 10 minute video of just explaining how to master hooks and my 10 favorite ones. So you can go and watch that video on the channel. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend to go watch it. But anyways, we gotta hook the viewer in. So there's 2 different ways we're gonna do this. Number 1, we're gonna pull up our phone, 0.5 4K 60 is the camera settings. We also have a video on camera settings on your phone, you can go watch that. So what we're gonna do is be way out here so we can get the entire house in screen. And we're gonna go hit record and go right to left really slow, or we'll go left to right really slow, or we'll start here and slowly walk into the house like this, just for like 3 or 4 seconds. So now we have like a few different shots we can choose from. But if we really want to spice up the hook, this is what I recommend, is take that camera, face it on you like this. So I'm looking at the camera lens, and then we're actually gonna say something. And a good hook to catch people in is say the price of the home, quick feature about it, and where it is. So I'm gonna say, this new build Calgary home is only $814,000. Let's go check it out. So I'm just gonna quickly say that. So I'm gonna hit record. This new build Calgary home is only $814,000. Let's go check it out. Boom. That's it. So you can either record yourself selfie and say something quick, or if you really want, you can record yourself selfie and not even say anything. You just look back at the house and look at the camera. But remember, you want a quick 3 to 5 second clip of outside, go left to right, walk in, out, or do selfie. Now let's go inside. And now that we're inside the house, we only want to get 5 or 6 clips inside. So are we gonna show the bathroom, the closets, and anything boring? Absolutely not. We're only gonna show the sexy parts of the house. What I mean by that, it's the important parts, like the kitchen, the living room, the dining, the primary bedroom, or just anything else that really pops and makes the house really stand out. So let's first start off on the kitchen. Now the big thing about this is you wanna get the right angles. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pull my phone, 0.5, and I'm gonna find a nice angle. This angle looks really nice. And what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of like, my phone's kind of at shoulder height here, and well, I should say chest height, and you'll notice it's completely flat. Too many people when they're filming like this, and the phone's down, or it's up too high. You wanna make sure your phone is completely 90 degrees, if that's what it is, 90 degrees and flat. And you wanna make sure it's about at your chest height. It's just a good presentation. Now come and look at the camera really quick. See how you can see the full kitchen. The kitchen looks just grand. You can see everything. I'm not going way too far in. I'm not going down. I'm not going up. It's nice and square. And all I'm gonna do is hit record and then walk 3 steps in. 1, 2, 3. That's it. What I could have done too is went right to left, 1, 2, 3, or left to right, 1, 2, 3. You get the point. Now come over here. We're now gonna show the living room. Now, once again, I'm gonna look at my phone and find what angle looks nice. So I wanna capture all of this. So I'm actually gonna start back here. I'm gonna hit record and take another 3 steps, like 3 seconds. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now, one thing is this living room, this looks really nice as well. So I'm gonna get another shot here and I'm gonna walk backwards. 1, 2, 3. And I know I'm showing this living room a lot, but look at this staircase. This looks beautiful. So I'm gonna get a quick shot of that too. This one's gonna be a left to right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now, there's the dining room here, which doesn't have anything in it. It's kind of boring. So maybe I won't get a shot of that. Sorry, I'm literally thinking of this as we're filming. But you'll notice there's no furniture and this kind of just looks plain. If there was a dining room table, that could look cool. So what I might do is, because this house isn't staged and it's brand new, it's missing appliances, I might actually get an additional shot of the kitchen to try and make up for not being able to show the dining room or say the front office. They're actually mixing the light fixture in there so it's dark. So what I might do is just go here and go in for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then the other thing with this house in particular is that the bedrooms don't have any staging in either, so they look super plain. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go up top and maybe get a shot looking down into here, because that looks really nice. And then that should actually make up for all my shots. Now I know this house will only have the outside clip and then basically shots of like the kitchen, the living room. But at the end of the day, sometimes that's all you need to generate a lead and get some views on this place. So at the end of the day, you're not giving them the full tour. You're just giving them like a little movie trailer, getting them excited about it. And now I'm up here and I'm just gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now instead of being at the office or sending this to some editor, we're in the car, the house is literally over there, and we just finished. And we're gonna throw this video together on CapCut because it's that easy. Now, if you want more of an in-depth video editing on CapCut, Kurtis on our channel actually made like a 40-minute video of that. So if you haven't seen that, go watch the video on our channel there. But I'm gonna show you guys how quick and easy this is, that we're literally just filmed it in there. It took less than 10 minutes, and now we're gonna edit here less than 5. All right, so here we have CapCut. I opened it up. I'm gonna select the clips I want. So of course we want this one. We want this one of the kitchen, this one of the kitchen, this one of the living room, this one of the living room, this one of the living room, and this one of the living room. And then we're gonna end it with another shot of the outside of the house, which, let me see what shot that is. I think it's this one. Yeah, we'll use this one. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the clips in. I'm gonna actually hit mute all, just so all the clips don't have sound when I'm doing it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to where I start talking, and I'm actually gonna, so I can hear this one, is hit volume and turn the volume on just on this clip alone. And then what we're gonna go to when I start talking. So I start talking right there. So I'm gonna hit this and I'm gonna hit split. And what split does is that it basically just makes this whole beginning part, you'll see here, this is a separate clip now, and I'm gonna hit delete. So now the video starts like this. This new build Calgary home is only $814,000. Let's go check it out. And then we're gonna split the end. So let's go check it out. That's where I want to stop. I'm gonna go here, hit split, and then delete that. Let's go check it out. Boom. Now this one, we're gonna do the same thing. So I want it to start, let's say right here. I'm gonna split this, trim the front of it. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. Split, delete the end of it. Ooh, actually, do you know what? And what I'm doing here is you can also drag it instead of hitting split. I'm actually gonna hold this and move this to the front. I like that clip better. Let's go check it out. 1, 2, 3, pause. Like I mentioned, I just like to do 3 seconds. I just think it's probably actually only 2, but it's just like whatever length seems good. And then the living room, we're gonna start maybe right here. So I'm gonna split and delete the front of it. So kitchen, living room, pause there, that's good enough time. And then we have the fireplace. So I'm gonna maybe go from here. So we have living room, fireplace. I could probably actually make that a little shorter. And then we have the staircase here, which is pretty cool. So maybe we'll make it start there, end right there. And then we have this overhead one. Trim the front off a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Maybe the front a little more, and then the end I'll cut off. And then the last shot, we have the house here. I like the one where I walk to it. Now I'm gonna split the front. So we have 1, 2, 3. Pause and then trim the end. And then the CapCut usually puts this ending thing. Just go and delete it. So now we're gonna watch the video. This new built Calgary home is only $814,000. Let's go check it out. Clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, clip 4, clip 5, clip 6, and then the outside of the house. Now what I also want to do is I'm going to add some text to hook people in. So I'm going to go text, add text, and then I'm going to type in the price, $814,000, and then go fonts. I'm going to add a cool font. Let's see. Maybe I'll just keep it simple. Steady. And then I'm going to go to styles and you can change the color. What I like to do is actually if you hit this little effect right here, it just makes it kind of glow. So I'm going to pick that and make it yellow. And then I'm going to pinch it and you can make it bigger. So let's do 814,000. Let's put it right above me so it captures people's attention. And then what I want to do is I want to make sure that it's the entire length of this clip because you see it disappears. So I'm going to tap the text down here and drag it to that clip so that it's all the way for that clip. I'm going to put a little higher so it's not on me. And then there's my wife. I got to pick her up as you can see. It's nice. Usually you want to put your phone on Do Not Disturb so you don't get distractions. And then here, I'm actually going to do something, a little trick. I'm going to go here and hit duplicate. And then I'm going to drag this down. So now I got 2 of them. But I'm going to hit the top right little edit thing. And then this one, I'm going to type in the location. So Calgary, Alberta. And then I'm going to hit that feature again so that it's white because I don't want it to be yellow. And then I'm going to line it up in smaller text right below it. Just like that. So now when someone comes and they're swiping, imagine, is this going to catch your attention or what? This new built Calgary home is only $814,000. Let's go check it out. How awesome is that? Grabs your attention. And then at the end, let's do a call to action. So let's go to the end, let's hit add text, and let's hit DM me for info. And let's just make that nice and big right in the middle. Actually, let's put it above the house. So now there's the last clip, DM me for info. Nice little call to action. Oh, make sure it's center. There we go. So now check out what we got. This new built Calgary home is only $814,000. Let's go check it out. Boom. And then you get the point. We already kind of showed you that. But you see how quick and easy, and look at how sexy and cool this house looks now. It's not showing the entire thing, but that's okay because now people are going to get excited about it. They're going to be like, oh, how many bedrooms? How many this? Well, that's a lead that you can now talk to. This is just a really quick and easy way. Now we're going to export it. So we're going to hit the top right here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to turn off AI Ultra HD. It just kind of messes up the videos. I don't like it. I'm going to drag this to be 4K, the resolution. And then the frame rate, I'm gonna keep it at 30. And the reason why is sometimes if it goes to 60, I feel like then it gets all fumbled on Instagram. Optical flow is off, code rate is recommended, smart HDR is also off, and that's it. So now I'm gonna hit export. So now we're on Instagram, and we're gonna pull it up. So we can see we go to the video here, we hit next, and here's the video. But I wanna add some cool music to it. So I'm gonna hit the music button down here and then I'm gonna find a really cool song that's like trending. Honestly, I have a lot of it cool ones saved, so. Oh yeah, that one's a vibe. So I know this song, I like to kind of time it with a drop. So what a drop is when the beat drops, so hold on. The drop is right here. So I'm gonna try and time this with the drop. So I'm gonna hit done, and then I'm gonna go edit video, and then I'm gonna tap the music and hit the volume so I can turn the volume down because it's way too loud. So now what we're gonna do is you can actually go on here and split the audio, just like the other one. So I'm gonna hit split, and then I'm gonna turn this side of the audio up. So maybe like 60. And this audio is down while I talk, so now listen. This new build Calgary home is only $814,000. Let's go check it out. Pretty cool, right? How much cooler is that with the music? And I know it's tripping out down below, but let's watch this now. This new build Calgary home is only $814,000. Let's go check it out. And there you guys have it, the easiest way to make a viral home tour video. Now you have no excuses because if you have a phone, you know how to open up the camera app and you've watched this video, you now can go and make that quick 15-20 second video. And remember, the first time doing it, it's not gonna be as good as someone like me who has done 1,000 home tours, okay? You're gonna get better by doing more and more and more of them. So speaking of that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and check out our other videos so you can master creating videos, getting more leads, and selling more homes on social media as a realtor. And also be sure to go down to the description because you can book a call with me where I'll actually audit your videos and tell you what you're doing wrong, what you should do so you can improve a whole lot more. But enough of that, we'll see you on the next video.